This 15th century castle, set in the Tuscan countryside, has an enduring place in the history of Florence, Italy. And now, for the price of €6 million, or about $6.35 million, you could be its new overlord. The Cavalcanti Castle was constructed around 1427 by a descendant of Guido Cavalcanti, a renowned poet and friend of writer-philosopher Dante Alighieri. The family would later be united by marriage to the powerful Medici family. In the intervening centuries, the castle has undergone numerous expansions and restorations, while retaining its architecture and distinctive features. Parapets line the roof of the solid stone structure, once a watchtower, which sits atop a hill covered in mature trees. The extensive grounds and Italian-style garden were designed around 1860 by then-owner Baron Adolfo Levi, who subsequently commissioned the restoration of the castle itself. More recent improvements include carefully planned night lighting and a resort-like swimming pool in the inner garden. The more than 26,000 square feet of interior space, spanning 3 floors and a basement, includes lavish architectural details such as decorative groin-vaulted ceilings, archways, and frescoed halls. A soaring beamed ceiling tops the massive dining room, which features a baronial fireplace and central chandelier. Stunning panoramic views of the surrounding hills and the relaxing atmosphere of the Tuscan countryside, combined with the opulence and historical charm of the castle, provide residents with an unparalleled experience. With 17 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms, Cavalcanti Castle can accommodate a significant number of guests, making it perfect for large-scale events and exclusive celebrations.